your problem with fuel? Now you be the first head of state in Nigeria. We start to increase fuel. Nigerians make a reminder to people, make a reminder to you, make a reminder to you. On Sunday, October 1, 1978, on Sunday now be the day of rest. Obasanjo don't let Nigerians rest. He increased fuel from 7 kobo to 15 kobo on that day. And on the second day, he gave 4 reasons why he increased fuel. Una go see that one, read for that paper in the line. Daily Times of October 1 and October 2, 1978, he did it. Olubese, Obasanjo, you are the problem in Nigeria. Obasanjo, you are the trouble in Nigeria. Olubese, Obasanjo, you are the problem in Nigeria. You see, after 12 years, when petrol dey for stability, Obasanjo not let Nigeria rest. Aguiyi Ironsi, he no increase fuel. Yakubu Gowon fought a civil war, he no increase fuel. Muritala Mohammed, he no increase fuel. You get quarter with fuel. Today, now we get more money in crude oil. Now our suffer start. Before, government now how to rule people, but today government is how to lose the treasury. There was no killing before oil, but today killing now happiness for government, especially that my friend Bola Ige wey die, wey you not fit find who kill am. Oluwere, Obasanjo, you are the problem in Nigeria. Olusegun, Obasanjo, you are the trouble in Nigeria. Olusegun, Obasanjo, you are the problem in Nigeria. Remember. When you come from prison to power, the first address where you read, make I tell you, fellow Nigerians, I am Olusegun Obasanjo. I am going to step on so many people's toes, and you know something that there will be no sacred cow and there will be no corruption in Nigeria. I am going to step on so many people's toes. Today, you don't step on any person's toe. Instead, they step on your toe and step on your head and match you. Nobody don't ever go prison for your time. You are the problem of Nigeria. I want to mention this. There are 7 governors who can buy Nigeria. These 7 governors are all from the same party. You are all PDP. They will buy Nigeria and change to see remain for their hand. Make I mention their name. Mention their name. Okubo Kide. And one of them, Lucky Gbenedio of Edo State. You dey among the 7 governors that can buy Nigeria. James Ibori of Delta State. He dey amongst them. Peter Odili, he dey of River State. Obongata of Akwa Ibom. Bunu Sheriff of Borno. And Alase Mega of okay. Usop Kalu of Abia State, he there among them. 7 governors from PDP that can buy Nigeria. And Olusegun Obasanjo, you go say you don't read that for paper. A leading Nigerian magazine like Career. Why you not query them? Why you not find out whether they lie that they talk? And today, no work, and you are going to sack more than 170,000 Nigerian workers. Where your people are busy losing the treasury, nothing you feel do. We expect better from you, we don't know say you can kill us. Where is his money? Where Abacha people steal, when they send back to you, what you take and do? Where is Nigeria Airways, railway, shipping line, the rest that you said you were going to reappear, make it reappear again? What was the rate of pounds and dollars before you came to power? It don't tell where you don't begin worry this country. Now you bring land use decree and Operation Feed the Nation. We not know say you want to use the opportunity. Make you take acquire land for yourself. Half of our today. Now you are home. Olubese, Obasanjo, you are the problem in Nigeria. Olusegun, Obasanjo, you are the problem in Nigeria. Look at the latest national cover. It is the way Abacha do. Where we hate that for, where it that put. Now you all call your pass. Now you they select people where go to cover. You're not gonna like Nigerians to themselves get up, make them say how they want to rule themselves. You see they do us like small picking. You want to tell people what to say, what they shape. Anyway, Nigerians make una know say this man at any time we come, na so suffer, now we dey suffer. I want to tell you one thing. Now policemen you na dey use at any time. When you na suffer policeman finish, policeman now go carry their possession, come begin suffer tuke drivers, come begin suffer Okada riders, come begin suffer Dafo drivers, come begin collect 20 naira at any time. Collecting 20 naira now. It just be like saying no minute when they break you, just get up go collect 20 naira. I never see this kind of before. You mean say Okada rider and I cause your problem for you? You don't know the people who cause you a problem. The people when you not help to rig election, where they propose. Now they help to rig your progress today. They are rigging your progress. As you have the rig election, now so these people go to rig your progress. Today now you not buy uniform, you not buy your shoe. Whereas your former Inspector General of Police, he carries also billion you know money will not protect better. Then you not confess to Okada rider. You soldiers, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. You policemen, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Say you soldiers, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Market women, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Nigeria doctors, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Nigeria students, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Okada riders, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Tuke drivers, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. Dafo drivers, are you satisfied? No, we are not satisfied. We are marching to freedom by the grace of God. We shall conquer. We are marching to freedom by the grace of God. We shall conquer. Even justice of Buddha, man, to freedom by the grace of God. Where you not take to anything, it's among the people where you are marching. We tell like that. We only referendum. We are marching. Referendum is the answer. You cannot deceive the Nigerian people anymore. Don't deceive the Nigerian people. They are the owner of their oil. Do not give them their right. Your blood will flow. Freedom by the grace of God, we shall conquer. Nigerians, police, soldier, yellow fever, weather VIOs, plus including everybody, helping to train the army of freedom so that we can free ourselves from these people. Join the army with me.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Mona sorry before because the network dey bad before, but I think say maybe something was wrong, but maybe e don good now. So my brothers and sisters, I greet all of una from Otoshebo Mama. I get little thing wey I wan just talk fast about wetin dey happen for Italy. Now make me play this music. Now no want because this video now don't see the video I put on for my page just now. Sorry about wetin dey happen for our country people. Wetin dem dey do is very bad. Make we dey talk true. This thing wey our people dey do anytime wey anything happen for Italy, you no go hear say na Senegal, you no go hear say na Ghana. They will say Nigeriano. That kind the thing come dey even dey scared me sef. If person ask me say where are you from, I say I be Italy. He go say no, just for the country where you come. I will say okay, I be Benin City. I will say I be Benin City. They say they ask me say where Benin City? They say na Africa. I even dey share to say Nigeria. This kind thing wey dey happen so, wey happen for Italy. This Matteo Salvini, they block am for the time when Matteo when they go for vote, him be talk and say anybody wey mess up, him go mess them down. Say na so him go dey sweep all of them. Say if he enter post, na no say na him be the minister of interior. He say as they take they mess up, na so him go dey put them for flight. They carry them, they go down. Why our people dey misbehave? Why our people dey misbehave? Country wey take you put for inside their house, we go come dey tell that they want to rule their country. Please, my brothers and sisters, una know say I no dey take nonsense. Anybody wey just comment rubbish, I go block you. I no go even tell you. I will just block you. Kpenke, na me be that. It is good to be said. It is good make we dey tell the truth, because for our country, any oyibo man wey go our country without visa, first of all, they'll just carry am, put am for prison before they'll come talk am wetin make am come that country. Talk like say we go dey their country, they even carry us, they put us for house, they give us. I don't know as I say talk to our people. Many of our people, e be like say the problem wey they get for Nigeria, they still carry am come this side, which is very bad. Italy, not because I say I be Italian product. Italy is the best country in the Europe. Wetin make me talk? If you no get document, you go dey waka. If you no find problem, nobody go even find you. You no fit do this kind thing for whether na Austria, be Germany, or other country like that. If you no get document, na so they go dey disturb you all the time. Italy no dey disturb. If you no go disturb them, why our people no dey hear word? Wetin dey worry them? Wetin dey, because this Savino, he just quiet because that man dey press am. E get one certain time wey two ship come, one fair come, he say lie they no go come down. They delusion am. When they come talk, they come say okay, make they come down. Another one come, he say he no go gree at all. Before I come call many countries, come call whether France or that come, make them share people wey come. Because Italy they don't tire. They don't tire. Italy they try for our body. If you any ship where they come, na Italy then they come. Na so they rescue them. Na so they carry them. Na so they carry them. They don't mind. They get their own problem. Italy get their own big problem. They never solve them. So we come see they put our own journey. E no good. E no good at all. No be our country we dey. Wetin they say make we do for their country, we dey do am for them. No be say we come dey prove say we too rude. We come dey, no, it's not our country. When they start to they deport now, they'll say Italy na bad country. Italy not be bad country. No country like this we go just dey leave other people where they come they destroy a country like that. They'll just look them. It's very bad because if Salvini start na war. The time where Salvini before he enter post, he don't fair talk am. He say if he come, he say he want sweep Italy, he say he want sweep pan. Those people where they misbehave, we not get document, now their mouth, now they hear pass, now their voice, now they loud pass. Say now so you go put them for flight, one by one, or just one they go na country. If Italy come start this thing now, they'll come say Italian they be racist. Italian not be racist for anything. Italian not be racist at all. Because if Italian be racist, what thing then they do? Therefore not they do many things what they do for all these people where they come. They not they do for their own people. Now true they tell you now. Now Italian person I marry, I don't feel talking before. Many things what they do for our blood, they not they do for their own people. They not they do one like. Now they want start to they do this to they give benefit, and they even put people where go even they collect them. Now no say no they benefit not there for Italy whether they give their own people. Now they come say make they come put on this 5 Stella where you stay with Savina. Now they want come start to they put her. They not even start themselves. And from April now they want even start to they put her. So why would they do all this thing? Why our country? Why Nigeria? They'll say Nigerian. If you go there, they'll say Nigerian. We not gonna get respect again for Italy, for the Italian country where we deal. We not get respect. Because if you talk, they'll say, hey, the Dove say, you tell them say Nigerian, and they'll say to Guale. We not be Guale. Sunday way good, Sunday way not good. Huh? All these bad people when their head not correct, I don't know what they worry that you not get sojourner for the country where you did. Now you need them misbehave pass. When they'll come carry you now, they'll say, hey, Italy is a racist country. Italy is a bad country. No, Italy is not a bad country. This country where all this our brother do now for I think a Ferrari for Apple, a bill I say na Ferrari for Apple. This thing where they do now, they not fit do for Germany or for Austria. Huh? Now every time they hear person voice, now every time they hear say na Nigeria, Ghana not there, Senegal not there. This person wey put red hair so, now you be that person. I believe say now that kind of person now you be. Huh? If you not get document, maybe they say, you got some people there for this country. 15 years, 20 years, they not get documents. But like, not they disturb them. You know they disturb them because you know they find trouble. You know they go they misbehave. What did they will come they worry you for? If you not get paper, may you put yourself for one corner. Not be anything where they'll anything where it go happen. You will not get paper. You go there inside there. Even we will get paper. Say we they hide ourselves. May you not go kill your document. Huh? You will not get anything. You never even use 2 legs. Say stand for country. You know they misbehave. Why? Why we go they do all this thing? Why we not fight our leader for home? He said we go they fight Italian people. Where even give us chance to say okay then drive you from our country. Okay, may we put una for our country. Huh? This thing not go happen for Nigeria. Say they'll say okay or Europe people say some people go there now go say okay you get problem for your country. May you go Nigeria. Nigeria go drive and go back. You go say go back to your country. All these people now, we get problem for our country. We come their country. Why we know they stay well? Why we know they behave well? Why would they misbehave? Why we go they misbehave? Now every time they go to say Nigeriano, no, sono tutti uguali, sono cattivi. We not be cattivi. Now these bad people where they end cause and them because they look everybody saying that they be the same thing. Huh? Ghana no dey fight. You know yes say na Ghana na come dey destroy their things. You know yes say na Morocco na come dey destroy their things. Anytime wey you hear dem say na Nigeriano. Savine, he don't get he don't fully head when he go start, many people not talk say Italian a bad country because they tell na something na no dey hear. If you don't get document, they hide yourself, they go till that document go reach your hand. Not be when you know say you not get paper, you not get anything, you go say lash me side, do this one, you go they follow up balegbe, even they talk self, you go want even push up balegbe self, you go want even put your hands for the cloth where they hear. Why all these things? Our people they not go hear word. They know may we ready, may we go fight our leader for us. They make me play that Osamore music just now. May we go fight them. Now they cause all these things where they pass through. Let's say our country good. We for not they come here, we come they misbehave for this side. We go leave our country, we come they fight another people country. Why? Our country not good. Our country not good. Now our leader where they now they be bad head because the country good. Now the leader where they lead the country now they not good. May we go fight them. If you there your country, you don't need document to stay there. anything wey you like na you go dey do. But if you dey for another person country wey no be your own, respect their law, follow their law. No come tell them as dem wan take dem do for their country, no be your country, na their own. Make we go fight our leaders dem, make we go fight dem, because now dem na cause everything wey we dey pass through. Many people don die for sea, dem no see that one. See election now, me I know since I was born, election 5 hours to say dem wan go vote, dem cancel election. That one dey happen. Now may we open our eyes, may we open our well, because they know wetin dem dey do. That country, may we go fight, may we go there. That one our country, not be a country where pick us put for inside house. Now we come dey fight. May we go fight our whole country. We all those leaders where they eat our money, because our country get money. We get money. Nigeria get money. People where they eat am, they just dey eat am. They eat am. We wey be citizen, we not see the money. Hungry wan kill us, they no even care. See vote now, they don cancel everything, because they know say Sowore dey come, Sowore must win. Na make them cancel everything. Wetin dey worry our country? Wetin dey worry that? Wetin dey worry our leaders? Wetin dey worry them? They don eat us reach. Make them go. They no wan go. They no wan go. They sit down for them. Huh? They sit down for them. Citizens, Nigerian citizens, they do problem for another man country. Instead of to do problem for another man country, go to your country and do that problem. You go know say na your house you dey. May we fight them. My brothers and sisters, because na little thing, because I see the Sabino don't even talk am. He say because when that one head not dey house, so he don't fit talk am. Because he not be racist. Now wait, you know say something go dey where person go dey do. You go dey watch, you go dey look, When you go reach the time where you know fit again, you go come explode. Now Sabino dey go so. E no good. Like this our brother now, where he jump for, where he kill himself because of negative wey dem give am. That one no reach to kill yourself put, because of say dem give you negative. Many people dey when dem give them negative, they will come out for them, but God will go bless them for another place, because maybe no be negative side, now you forget your documents. Huh? All these things not supposed to dey happen, because we no get good leader. We no get good leader. Because of say they give you negative, you go kill yourself. How you go kill yourself? Many people dey here, and I make me dey talk and just now say some people dey here wey don spend 15 years, 20 years, you no get documents. If you no tell you no go know. Ogbalegbe never stop am one day, because if they do, you know they go. You know they find trouble. Where problem dey, no they stay there. Some day wey you dey maintain themselves. Some day wey no they no get problem, they know they maintain themselves. Till when they go hold them, they go say, hey, Italian are racist. Huh? Why will they behave like this? Our country not good. They carry us put for his house. May we dey maintain ourselves. May we dey respect the law where dey the country where we dey. Not be our own country. If we want fight people, may we go fight our leader for home. If you want destroy something, may we go home. May we go destroy something. May they know say, yes, we the citizens we want make them hear our voice. Because na so people all this if you see France now, na so that they do. That their country they destroy their property, because they want make the leader where their governor may hear their voice. So may we still go our own country, may we go destroy them. May they hear our voice. Say really we not want them again. Not be say we will dey another man country, we will destroy their property. It's very bad. May we go destroy our own. Because the country where take you put for his house, they're good. Now make them take you put for inside their house. They say they're not good. They go say may you go your country. Italy is the best country. I see they talk for person will not get document to stay. Italy is the best country. I know they talk and say because of say benefit or no, because of people will not get document, because of what they do to immigrants. That make me they talk say Italy is the best country. Not be say other country not good, but Italy not be racist like that. So many things dey wey dey happen. Our brothers and sisters, make una try, make una no dey misbehave for the country wey pick una. Make una no dey misbehave. Follow their law. If you follow their law, you go enjoy them. You must enjoy them. But if you no follow their law, say you wan do pass yourself, they go pick you, even though say they give you that document, they go drop am. Italy dey do that kind of thing. The night that they give you, now they'll still collect am for your hand. They go just post you go your country. If you fit follow their law, you go enjoy their country. If you see work, you work. If you no see, you fit stay, you dey look for job. What we say we come dey do problem for their own country. Our own country dey there. We no fit kill our leaders. Then may we burn everything. Make them know say we really mean am. We go come dey fight for another man country. It's very bad. So my brothers and sisters, now just a little thing I don't want me to talk, because I see this video. I said this our people, they want start again. When I not go put on a hand for Savino man though, that because that for a month, because that one just quiet. If he starts, because he don't fit on the time where he come, the time where they want vote, he say if he come, say na every week he go dey deport. Every week they go just dey pack them. You get documents, you get work. If you misbehave, if you get work, problem not there. If you not get work, you dey misbehave, you not get documents. Now flight, now you for the see yourself, you go see yourself for Lagos. And this man now, they can't take and they talk to her, you know, in a way. He can't still okay, may still calm. When I not go wake calm. If you not wake calm, if you not wake calm, in their country, then he say he not care if then the Nushala. Then he don't forget first and second Nusha. He say he not care. He want fight for a country. Now in country they may we go fight for our own. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, I just want to give a little. May our brothers and sisters, may they use their brain. May they use their brain. Not be the brain where they get carry come from Nigeria, they will see carry come here. No, it's not our country. May we not destroy their country. Because all this way some of them they do now, they'll come use them. Take go person where even they do it, they'll come go put the pepper body for another person body. You will do something, maybe you don't run come out. Another innocent person, then they'll go put the pepper body for a body. Yeah. So from Untouchable Mama, my brothers and sisters, that one way put red head just now. If you like, you put green. The important is say you know insult, because if you join insult, I'll just block you. I know one man they talk to people will not get brain. People will get brain, not like even though say na one person just the look where they hear. I will not say the wetin they talk they enter head. Person wey get brain go know say wetin they talk not true. Not true. If you dey your country, you no need document. If you dey your country where food where you see you eat. If you dey for another man country, you go respect their law. It's just the truth. Because they not take you, may you can't destroy their country, or may you can't tell them as they want to rule their country. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Man, I just want to give this a little advice to our brothers. May they calm. If you not get document, that is not the end of the life. Sometimes you know if you get document self, you go stay for the country, nobody disturb you, nobody even they worry you if you not go look for problem. If God say document not be from here, go come out, it go come out from the another side. Many people they here when they come this abroad, they not get documents. But through marriage, they'll come get their own documents. So not go kill yourself because of say Italian not give you document. They'll come say Italian a bad person. No, Italian they are not bad people. They are good. They are good. Not because of say I be Italian product. No, they are good country. Because the way until they fight for immigrants, they don't they fight for their own citizen people like that. It's just the truth. I remember one certain time when they put some of our black for one whether na five-star hotel or something like that. The country the citizens of Italy they call the quarrel say how can una dey help immigrants, but we will be the citizens una not dey help. From there now know say Italy they get good mind. So my brothers and sisters, may we stop all these things. If we want to fight, really we want to fight, let's go to our country to go and fight our leaders. Because now them be the bad head what we get. Maybe some people say Nigeria not good. Not be say Nigeria not good. Now the leader way there, now not good. The country is good. People where they lead us, they're not good. They have to go. We don't need them again, but they don't want to come out. So let's go there to fight them. Make we burn everything down. We go burn everything. They will know say okay, all these people they really mean am. So as we dey talk now, you know say we no dey fight them. They will say they no see, they no mean am. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. One love, one love. Wanna change una way. Giving you negative is not the end of your life. You cannot kill yourself because of that. No. If God say not be this way, maybe in another way, why you go kill yourself? Now you lose now. Now you lose. You put your family for pain. Don't kill yourself because of say you not get document. They will never break. Now many pass. And they no make be or boost. So if you not get document today, you will get tomorrow. One love, my people. Now bye bye. Now ciao ciao.